heated skate blades. Hockey skates are not all created equal. That's why professional hockey players are always looking for ways to get that cutting edge. They know championships are won or lost in fractions of a second. And that's when heated skate blades can make all the difference. With a simple touch, heated skate blades are revolutionizing the game of hockey. They give much more control and speed on the ice. They do this using a smartboard, the brain of these performance-enhancing blades. It all starts with custom-made stainless steel blades. A technician places them inside an injection molding machine. Liquid plastic is injected into a cavity, creating a plastic overmold. Once bonded with the overmold, the blades are ready to receive the electronic smartboard. The smartboard fits into the plastic overmold that runs along the top edge of the blade. After removing excess plastic from the mold, the technician places the prepared blades onto a mounting tray. He uses thermoconductive glue to ensure contact between the heating wire, the temperature-controlling smartboard, and the blade overmold. After that, the technician inserts insulating material along the entire length of the overmold, so the heating wires make perfect contact with the steel. Once the smartboard is secure, the technician places the blades into a low-density injection machine that encapsulates the smartboard with impact and moisture-resistant resin. The smartboard is now waterproof. Meanwhile, another high-pressure injection molding machine makes the blade holders that support the finished blades. These blade holders will be given an actual power supply, a high-performance lithium polymer rechargeable battery that makes heating the blades possible. The battery will be cleverly concealed inside the heel of that molded chassis. To do this, a technician first attaches rivets into the heels of the blade holders, then mounts the blade holders onto an automatic rivet press. This machine pressure punches the rivets, so they will make a proper connection to the battery for recharging. A printer heat presses the brand name and logo on the heel. The logo sits over the flexible proximity sensor, or the on and off button, that a technician wraps around the battery. Then she buries the combined unit into the heel of the blade holder to protect it from moisture and impact. She then locks it into place. Next, the technician attaches a threaded insert bolt to the blade overmold. This special bolt holds the blade in place and allows for quick and easy blade changing. The technician then connects the blade to the blade holder and presses the blade firmly into the chassis. Then she locks all electronic and mechanical components into place. A charging unit powers up the battery for testing. Then the technician seals off the heel chamber to further protect the battery. She turns on the smartboard to make sure all systems are go. An LED confirms the blades are heating properly. In the meantime, another technician assembles the molded charging unit for the blades. The technician hand trims the motherboard that controls the charger so it will fit flawlessly into the charging unit. She inserts the finished motherboard into the back of the unit and checks to make sure it works properly. Then she snaps on an airtight cover that seals the unit, fully protecting the motherboard against wetness and shock. Finally, she plugs in the charging unit to confirm it works. A rechargeable battery, a manual, a convenient charging unit, and a pair of performance-enhancing skate blades complete the kit. The heated skate blades are now ready to ship around the world. They're quick and easy to mount on the boot, with the built-in smarts to help create the next champion.